All right, guys, we got a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. The AC does not work, guys, and if you're putting on your AC switch inside there, if you're turning that blue knob over there, let me go over there inside. If you're turning this blue knob right here, well, the blue, I mean the color blue, if you put this to blue here and you got your blower motor on and your AC does not work, all right, and there's a switch here, you got to press that button right there. Let me start this car up so we can get it. All right, so right now we got our AC working, but I'm gonna show you the problem I had with this car. So the fan came on, this light came on and everything, but no cold air. There's no cold air, right? And what happened was I checked under the hood, the AC compressor was not coming on, and then I checked the fuses. All right, guys, that's what I did there. So no AC on this car. There was no cold air coming out, only hot air. It was blowing hot air. Let me turn this off and let's go outside, guys. And what I did was guys, a lot of cars, the AC compressor is all the way down there, but the AC compressor job is almost like close to $1,000, $700 to $800, depending on the mechanic shop you go to, you know, and depending on your mechanic how much he's gonna charge you. So first thing is check if it has Freon in the system. You could do that by opening this cap right here. I would suggest open this cap because it's the low side. You push the little pin inside, you will see liquid come out, like a spray gas type of liquid, and it's gonna get on your hands. If you don't hear nothing, you have no Freon in the system, so pretty much you need to charge the system and look for leaks. A lot of times if there's nothing in there, it has leaked, all right? And but with this car I had a different issue. Go to this box right here before you spend $1,000 on the AC compressor, guys. Open this little guy right here, all right? You're gonna put it just like this, all right? Let me see if I can see that good on my camera. If you look inside, let me put my light up. I just want you guys to see this. If you look, this little curve right here on the drawing, you see the corner has a curve. This is a curved corner and this is squared out corner on this side. So if you look at this fuse box right here, same thing, all right? It has a little curve. So if you put it just like that, you're gonna find all the fuses in the same angle they belong, all right? And so pretty much if you look at right here on the top corner right here, guys, it's gonna say A/CON right there, right? The first top right hand corner, all right? 10 amp fuse, all right, right there, the first fuse in this corner, right? This little curved out, you see the curve on that? The line is curved. This side is square, this side is square, and this corner is square, but this is a little slash. And same thing with the boss, it's a little slash here. So right up here, you're gonna find a 10 amp fuse, all right, guys? Pull that fuse, check that fuse, all right? Maybe that fuse is bad on your car like this one it was, all right? And then you have spare fuses, but you don't have the 10 amp over here because I used it. And this guy had a whole bunch of fuses laying over here, and some of them was blown. But replace that with another fuse. You can pull it out, look at the pin inside if it's good or not. But that's the fuse you're checking, all right, guys? So it's right here. This is the fuse you're checking, and the chances are, if that fuse is blown, your AC is not gonna work because the AC compressor on that end is not gonna come on, and that's gonna be a problem. Let's say you replace the AC compressor and the AC still doesn't work and it was simply the fuse, all right? Always check your fuse, guys, always, all right? Because if you don't, you might spend a lot of money and then you have a problem that was sitting and laying right here, guys. All right, guys? So anyways, I hope this video helped you, but do subscribe to my channel. It's free. I had people ask me, no, I don't want to pay. It's free, guys. You subscribe to my channel, you're gonna get all of my videos for free. I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos about RC channel. So I have another channel. You could go into my homepage on YouTube. On the right hand side, upper corner, you will see a link that will say my monster truck channel, something in that sort. click on that. That will take you to my another channel, but the name of the channel is RC USA 201. All right, and that's the name of my channel. Great channel, guys. A lot of fun, a lot of toys, hobbies, you know, spare time. We're gonna be battling and racing in that channel. All right, guys, you guys are gonna love it. A lot of entertainment. All right, and thank you and bye bye.